Your outfit is invisible. Not because it's boring, because you're drowning it in too much at once. One statement piece can transform a basic look from forgettable to unforgettable. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Start with a neutral base. Wear solid colors: white, black, navy, beige, or gray. These act as a blank canvas. Your statement piece needs empty space to actually make a statement. Step 2. Choose one statement piece, not three. That could be a bold necklace, a structured handbag, a patterned scarf, or oversized sunglasses. Pick something with color, texture, or size that demands attention. Step 3. Position it near your face or hands. Accessories closest to your face, necklaces, earrings, scarves, glasses, have the most impact. They're the first thing people see. Hands-on items like bold bags or rings work second. Step 4. Keep everything else minimal. No competing patterns or colors. If your necklace is gold and geometric, skip the pattern belt. Let that one piece own the room. Restraint is what makes it powerful. Pro tip: the biggest mistake is matching your statement piece to your outfit. A red necklace with a red dress disappears. Contrast makes it pop. Gold with jewel tones, silver with pastels, bold prints with solids. What statement accessory completely changed your look? Drop it in the comments. Follow Sikho for more style and life hacks. Visit Sikho.ai.